Hey everybody, this is Dave Bensman with Bensman Home Computer Repair, and today I'd like to talk about the weather. As Mark Twain once said, everybody talks about the weather, but nobody does anything about it. Well, today we're going to do something at least about how we get information about the weather. The, there are lots of ways to get information about the weather. You could go to WeatherBug. You could go to AccuWeather. Although that doesn't seem like it's telling you a lot about the weather there. You could go to the Weather Channel. But the best way that I've found to get to the weather in terms of getting the most information in the most succinct manner is by going to the National Weather Service. This is our government. It's done by our government, and it is very accurate and very easy to read. You just type in NWS and Memphis if you're in Memphis, but wherever you happen to be. Then this first link here, weather.gov/meg, and then right here where it says forecasts, you click right here where it says hourly view. And you can click anywhere here on this map and it will give you an hour by hour forecast of the weather. And when I say the weather, I mean every single aspect of the weather. If you just want the temperature, you can see right here the temperature's in red, and they list it right here what the temperature is going to be. If you want the dew point, that's in green, wind chill in blue, and so on and so forth. It tells you the wind gusts, it tells you sky cover, precipitation potential. It even tells you when the precipitation is going to fall, what kind of precipitation it is, whether it's rain, thunder, snow, freezing rain, or sleet. And it does it in a very easy to read manner. As you can see, as I move my cursor from right to left, it is reflecting all those values down here in this lower field. And that's the next 48 hours. If you want more, it'll go all the way out to December 12th, an hourly. So it's basically a 5-day forecast, but it's an hourly forecast. And so on December 13th at 10 p.m., they figure it'll be 45 degrees and it will be likely, or there will be a chance of rain. So that's what I would do if I were you guys, is I would go to NWS, ditch all these other weather services. They're just getting their information from the National Weather Service, and you'll be in good shape. Now, if you want to get that without having to go through all the clicking, then all you got to do, as usual, is with a little lock right here, just left click and hold the left mouse button down and drag that over to the desktop and let go. And then from then on, all you got to do is double click right there, and there's your weather. That's it. It's real simple, real clean, not a lot of fiddling about. There are also, other forecasts. There's a 7-day forecast, hazardous weather outlook. There's all sorts of things that you can take advantage of with this that commercial weather websites don't give you. But that's the simplest way to get your weather. I hope that this was helpful, and if so, please like and share this video, and of course, please subscribe to my channel. If you need any computer repair help in the Memphis, Millington, Collierville, Germantown area, please feel free to give me a ring at Bensman Home Computer Repair at 901-830-4362, and as always, stay safe.